There's one Martian. Little Martians, where are you? Camille is sent to Mars to see if Martians really exist. Hello, Earth. This is Camille. I see Mars. I'm ready to land. Landed! Now start looking for Martians. Well, it seems nobody's here, but there's one Martian. Camille didn't see it. Where, Justin? Where is a Martian? Over there, nobody. Not in this crater. Not one Martian inside, but look, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 Martians. There might be no Martians at all. In that case, let's have some snacks. Shh. Be quiet. Snack? Whoa! Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Martians! Hello, Earth. I have found a lot of Martians. Camille, well done. How do they look like? They look greedy. Ew. The end.